So I only have one application today. This company, LuxExcel, they don't give many details about who they are. They're really secretive on a lot of their stuff. But they're using a UV cured photopolymer system. They don't say what system, whether it's DLP, whether it's SLA, or exact technologies. But what they end up creating is optically usable lenses, and those are directly out of the machines, no post processing necessary. So I think it's really cool. They're able to, for what they're doing, make extremely low cost plastic lenses. So they're looking at going into areas where money is an issue to be able to bring things like glasses, where right now, if you want to get glasses in a third world country, you're limited to a few different standard lens shapes because it turns out lenses are very, very difficult to make accurately. And so there's a lot of people in the world who live with lenses that aren't exactly the ones they need because they can't afford to have a proper lens maker grind a glass lens or even a polycarbonate lens to the right shape for them. So what these guys are doing is they've found technologies that allow them to one-shot 3D print lenses, and in the case of the picture on the front here, that's lenses on a frame printed in one shot. They Yeah, so I'm guessing at this point because they don't tell you how they do it. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking is that they use two baths. They print the lens piece first and then they add the frame piece onto the top of it.
Is this called Lexus still?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they do SLA.
Okay. Their website is really sparse about information. Yeah. But with what they're doing, they can create a pair of glasses like that for about a quarter the cost of a traditionally manufactured set of lenses. It's a huge benefit. And the benefit they have is not so much that they can make more lenses, it's that they can make more of the right lenses. So somebody in a third world country, instead of having to settle for the lens of the set of 10 that they can choose from, this one's the one that's closest to my prescription, these guys could print. You could have 10 people that go in and say each one gets exactly the prescription they want, and you print them all out at the same time. And so instead of having to choose from A, B, or C, or D, you get the exact one you want. So it's a kind of interesting application. Right now they're made out of plastic still. I mean, it's a photocured polymer. So I would think that what I consider more interesting applications like laser work and high power optics are still a ways off because you can't really use those. But they have found that these are really good for things like glasses because they hold up very well under environmental conditions, because all UV light's going to do to them is cure them better. So they actually get stronger over time. So anyways, that's kind of it.